Please see the next question. Again, this is a very good question. One of the way of solving this question, you can solve it by using profit, loss and discount concept. Another way of solving is by allegations, which I am using right now in this particular class. Now see here, your question is, if goods are purchased for 450 rupees, total cost price for me to purchase the goods is 450. That is one of the condition or statement which is given in this question. If goods are purchased for 450 rupees, 1/3 of them are sold at 10% loss. 1/3 of them are sold at 10% loss. Then at what profit percentage should he sell the remaining to gain 20% on the whole? Now see here, sir. Let us understand in a little easier way. Suppose, for example, okay, what can I take? Suppose, for example, there is a water bottle. Diagram is not drawn to the scale. I am not that good in drawing. So there is a water bottle. This is the cap, right? This is the water bottle, sir. Right? This is the water bottle. Now see here. What I can say is, this cap, I am just saying for your explanation purpose, this cap is 1/3 of the product. Out of the total product is the entire water bottle. Out of total product, cap is 1/3 of the product, and the remaining bottle is remaining 2/3 of the product, right? The remaining is nothing but the another 2/3 of the product. So totally 1/3 plus 2/3 is nothing but one entire product. I hope you are understanding. Now what they are saying is, this cap, 1/3 of the product, it is sold to a different person at 10% loss. That means, can I say that 10% loss means, if the total product is costing 100 rupees, then I am having 10 rupees loss. That means 10% loss is also nothing but money only, right? It is also something like money factor only. So P1 is 10% loss. Because it is loss, I am putting a negative sign. Similarly, and how much product is sold at 10% loss? 1/3 of the product. Only the cap is sold at 10% loss. So only the cap, 1/3 of the product is sold at 10% loss. Then at what profit percentage should he sell the remaining? Remaining is another 2/3 of the product. I do not want to have loss in my life. Already 10% I have lost it. That does not mean that I will keep having losses in my life. I want to convert this loss to profit. That means this remaining product of 2/3 of the product, I should sell it at some profit percentage. At what profit percentage should you sell the remaining 2/3 of the product? How much quantity it is? It is 2/3 of the product, so that you will gain 20% on the whole transaction. Whole transaction on an average, you are gaining 20%. Again, I am repeating the question, sir. Initially, I sold 1/3 of the product at 10% loss. Yes, I agree that I am having loss in this business. How much loss? 10% loss I am having initially. Yes, I totally agree. But that really does not mean that I should have loss in future also. I will plan in such a way that whatever the loss I had of 10%, I will convert it to profit here. I will definitely convert it to profit. I still have the remaining 2/3 of the product left with me. I will sell that remaining 2/3 of the product in such a profit that if I go to my home, if I count the entire money at the end of the day, I should feel like, or I should get that I had a total overall profit at the end of the day as 20%. That means, even though I had a 10% loss at the beginning, I want to make 20% profit at the end of the day. If I want to make 20% profit at the end of the day, at what profit percentage should I sell the remaining 2/3 of the product is the question. I hope the question is very, very clear for you, sir. Now, once I draw this diagram, it is never a difficulty. We have seen this in our concept. Q1 by Q2 is P2 minus P divided by P minus P1. Q1 is 1 by 3 divided by Q2 is 2 by 3. 3 and 3 cancels. It is 1 by 2. P2 minus P. It is X minus 20 divided by P minus P1. It is 20 minus of minus 10. It is 30. So it is 2 into 1, 2 into 15. 15 into 1 is 15. Shift this minus 20 to the right hand side. X value is 35%. One last time I am repeating the question by putting this 35% in my statement, saying that although I had a loss of 10% by selling 1/3 of the product, I will sell the remaining 2/3 of my product at 35% profit, so that my entire profit at the end of the day should become 20% on the whole. This is the beauty of this question. I hope the idea is very, very clear for you people.